Good morning, dear student. Today I will teach chapter number 6, life processes, and today topic is how do organism obtain their nutrition. Okay. So student, since the food and the way it is obtained differ, the digestive system is different in various organisms. In single cell organism, the food may be taken in by the intersurface, but as the complexity of the organism increases. Okay, so different parts become specialized to perform different functions. Okay, so student, just example of amoeba. So nutrition in amoeba. Okay, so the amoeba takes food using temporary finger-like extension. Okay, the cell surface which fuse over the food particles, forming the food vacuoles. Okay, so you can see the picture of amoeba, student. This is amoeba and this is nucleus and this is a food. Okay, so this food absorbed by through the pseudopodium. Okay, this is a pseudopodia. Okay, and this is food particles. Okay, after then inject food vacuoles enter through the food vacuoles, food particles in amoeba body organs. Okay, and this is cytoplasm. Okay, so food vacuoles containing food particles in the cytoplasm. Okay, so student, you can already seen the pictures in different studies, nutrition in amoeba. Okay, and the amoeba takes food using temporary finger-like extension of surface which fuse over the food particles, forming food vacuoles. Okay, inside the food vacuoles, complex substances are broken down into simpler ones, which materials. Okay, so is moved the surface of the cell and thrown out. Okay, in paramecium, which is also a unicellular organism, the cell has a defined shape and food is taken in a specific spot. Okay, food is moved to this spot by the movement of cilia which cover the center surface of the cell. Okay, so student, in amoeba, okay, nutrition in amoeba, and this is completed in 5 stages. Student, we can say about amoeba. Amoeba is a unicellular and one of the simplest holozoic organism. Okay, so the nutrition in amoeba takes place in the following step. Okay, and this step is ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. Okay, so I deal one by one about ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. Okay, so first I will deal about ingestion. Ingestion, the food of amoeba consists of bacteria, small protozoans, diatoms, algae and pieces of animal and plant materials. Okay, so it has a fixed mouth for ingestion of food. Okay, and it injects food by forming temporary finger-like extension called pseudopodia. Okay, pseudopodia. This is a pseudopodia. Okay, so student, the pseudopodia are simple extension of plasma membrane of amoeba that surrounded food particles completely and form a food vacuoles. Okay, and then second is a digestion. In this process, inside the food vacuoles, complex substances are broken down into the simpler ones. Okay, and simpler ones with the help of digestive enzyme secreted by lysosomes. Okay, the lysosomes adhere to the food vacuoles and slowly fuse with it. Enzymes are released to digest the food. Okay, and next step is absorption. Third step is absorption. In this process, the digested food, it then passed out the vacuoles into the cell or cytoplasm. Okay, the food vacuoles is now left with only indigestible substances. Okay, then next is assimilation. In this process, the absorbed food is utilized by the cell. Under this process, some of the absorbed food is used to obtain energy, okay, through respiration. The remaining amount of food is used to make body parts, thereby resulting in the growth of amoeba. Okay, and last is a egestion. This is the last step. In this step, amoeba does not have a body part for the removal of undigested food. It takes place by the suddenly reporting cell membrane at any place in the body. Okay, so student, I hope understood all of you about nutrition in amoeba. Regarding this topic, any doubt, you can feel free to ask me. Have a nice day. Good day.